Hi friends! Yay! Okay, so today's gonna be a super fun video, and I'm Heather, your Seint Mama, and I'm actually this little one's actual mama. This is my youngest daughter, Mary. You wanna say hi?
Hi.
And she is, tell them how old you are.
10.
Yep. And so she's been watching me do this makeup for, gosh, I mean, since you were 4, I guess, something like that, maybe even younger. And so we always like to say this is makeup so easy, a 10-year-old can do it. So do you think you can do my makeup?
Yes, I think I can.
You think you can? Yeah. We're gonna have fun, right?
It's been a long time since I've done this, but yes.
Yes.
We'll have fun.
This is not your first rodeo of playing makeup, is it? All right, let's do it, cutie. You ready? Okay, so just so you know, she does have a fun little 3D foundation placement card that's technically on the screen right here that she's looking at, and I will pop up actually right here just so you can see what she is working with. This is basically what's telling her where to pick her makeup. So I have a very similar little card digitally that comes to this whenever someone orders the Seint 3D foundation from me that will tell you exactly where to put it. So you will also be equipped if you haven't yet tried this awesome makeup. All right, let's dive in and get started. You ready, Mary? Okay.
I'm ready.
Yay! Okay, so Mary, what do we start with?
Contour.
Contour? Yeah. Which one in the palette? Yep, that's right. Okay, and she's going to use the detail hack. So this brush and this brush come with our pre-built collections, which you can actually color match yourself down in the description of this video. Or if you want a totally custom color match, because these are my custom colors that are in the palette, you can also check out that link below. But she's going to use my colors to put it on. So you want to start with the contour?
Sure.
Okay, here we go. Yeah, and you kind of want to work it in a little bit just with the contour. It's a little bit of a thicker consistency. Yep, that should be good. Maybe. Let's try it. Which side you want to do? This side? Okay. And it goes underneath the cheekbone, right? Love it.
My dear.
You're doing great. Doing great. Perfect. Yeah, love it. And so you can place the contour here or here, just as long as you're going under the cheekbone, and you nailed it, Mary. That's perfect. Okay, where else does it go?
Forehead.
All right. Yeah, and you worked out perfect amount. You can always go back and get more if you want, but I find that people are a little scared of the contour, so they usually don't use quite enough to get the dimension. So you can always go back and load up your brush if you need to.
Does that look good?
Let me see. Yeah, looks good. What do you think? Yeah. Okay. You want to do the other side? Here we go. So this color that she's using is Astoria. That is my color right now. Nice. What do you think? Yep.
It's a little
Love
dark.
it.
It's darker than the other side, but
And it'll blend out.
Yeah.
It'll blend out when we do it for sure. And you can see, so she did it at an angle like this, which kind of elongates the face. You can also kind of, if you want to sculpt it out, that's when you go more horizontal. But she did, yep, you crushed it, girl. Crushed it. All right, what's up? What's next?
highlighter.
You want to start with the lighter one?
Sure.
Okay, perfect. And I like to use that side, the small side. Do you remember which one's the lighter one?
This one.
Yes, that's perfect.
The light area.
It's called White Peach. And this you don't have to use a lot. And a little goes a long way. Okay.
Let's try this out.
Okay, we're going down the center of the nose. Love it. Okay, where else?
Any more brush?
Maybe a little bit more.
Yep.
Yeah, and kind of maybe.
I'm very bad at this.
You're not bad at this. You're doing great, girl. You're doing great. Okay, love it. What's next? Yeah. Get a little bit more, maybe. Okay.
That doesn't
It doesn't feel bad. It all blends out. You're good. Okay. Little dot on the chin. Yep. It's basically anywhere that you want to bring forward, that you want to brighten up on your face. And under the eyes is definitely one of those things. All right. You want to let Sadie out?
I will be right back. And I'm back.
We have one of those little bells that hangs from our door, and we have 2 golden retrievers, and they both abuse it, don't they?
Yes.
Yes.
One of them does.
One of them in particular does. So
The other
if
one
you
does.
heard the bell ringing, that's what was happening. But now they're both outside. They'll want to come back in just a minute, but
If you hear barking, that's the crazy one. Because the other one doesn't bark.
yeah, only one of them really barks, right?
Mhm.
You want to keep going? What do you think? It's coming together.
One more part, right?
Yep.
Oh no, there's more parts.
Oh no, there's more parts. What you doing now? Are you moving on to something different?
No.
Oh, yep, that's right.
Mustache.
Must love it.
Small mustache of highlighter.
Yep. Doing good. Doing good. All right. What's next?
Oh, the darker highlighter.
Okay, cool. And I like to use this side of this brush to apply it. And this is where you can start to blend it all together a little bit.
Okay.
Or we have the sponge to blend too, right? Oh,
Sweet.
which one? So show them which one you're going to use for the darker highlight.
This
Yep.
one.
Nice.
Sorry.
So this one is called White
Got
Peach.
a little mixed up. Get out.
Perfect, girl. White Peach, and this is Athens. Okay. And so this pretty much goes everywhere that we didn't put the contour, right? Or the other color. Kind of filling in the blanks a little bit. Yep. Love it.
Oh, sorry. No,
It's okay. You can mix and match a little bit.
that was an accident.
Good.
Move your hair out of
Got
the
a little
way.
bit of hair.
Oh gosh. Hair's so annoying these days.
There we go. Got it.
Okay.
Okay.
Keep mixing them up. I'm new to this.
You're doing great. Yep. Mary, whenever you're doing this, just anywhere that you already haven't put something, that's where you can put that darker color. Does that make sense? And you can blend into the other areas now too. It's okay. It doesn't have to stay paint by number.
I'm sorry, that's bad.
It's not bad. You're doing good, girl. You're doing good.
I still see that little dot of.
That's okay. Now we're gonna blend it all out.
I know.
We're gonna blend it all out.
Wait, hold on. Yeah, we're gonna get that and then right there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
And then I will leave one more spot.
Okay.
Is that good?
Yeah, I think that's really good. You can get all the way, because I have a little bit of like redness there, so if you want to put some there.
Do you want me to blend it all with the sponge?
Sure, if you want to. Don't press too hard. That's where I had my little tooth surgery. That's okay.
And you like
And maybe a little bit, like I get a kind of red around in here. What do you think?
right here?
On either side of my nose, maybe? Okay, and then maybe, I know you put the light there, but you want to put some on my chin?
Oh gosh, the light is covering the light.
It's okay.
Or do you want me to blend?
Yes, I think we're ready to blend. What do you think?
have to wet the blender.
You want to show them what it looks like, not wet versus wet?
This is what it looks like, not wet. And this is what it looks like wet.
And
It
so what
grows.
did you do?
You wet it and you like get it really soaked and it will expand and then you squeeze it out. So it's like a damp thing.
So it's damp and fluffy, right?
It feels good.
And so now you're gonna blend it all out?
Like that being right?
Yeah, whichever side, yep. And so this is gonna take off any of the excess if you get a little heavy-handed, right, Mir? And it's gonna blend everything together.
There's an eyelash on your
But
face.
still, oh, there is?
Yeah, that's right.
You know what that means, right?
What?
You can make a wish.
I made a wish in my head.
You made a wish in your head.
Can't tell what it is though.
Okay, love it. Oh, I love your little technique there of smooshing. Yep,
Yeah, that's what I used to do.
twist and smoosh.
Am I doing good?
You're doing awesome.
Okay, I'm gonna get the sharper end
The sharp
for
end,
inside of the eyes.
nice. Love it. Love it.
I didn't blend that right there really well. Sorry.
Don't worry. Do you like blending with a sponge? Sorry. Oh, that kind of hurts. No, it's not your fault. I had a crown lengthening done on this tooth back here, so it hurts a little bit.
Were you supposed to put blush before we blended?
No, you can put it after. Some people put it before, but you can totally put it after.
Do you put it before?
No, I usually put it after, honestly. Okay, I think this side needs to be blended a little. Oh yeah, does this need to be blended a little bit more?
Yes. But it might hurt.
Just go kind of light. What about right here?
That's where your
It's
teeth
okay. No, my tooth is actually down here.
are. Your nose right there.
Okay, looking good.
Any more blending I have to do?
What's happening right
What
there?
is that?
What is that?
I don't know. Maybe a little contour smudge. I don't know.
No, I don't think that's a contour smudge. I think it's on my face. There's no telling.
Maybe just freckles.
Okay, what do you think?
What do you think?
I think it's
You're
good.
you're the artist here.
So another way that you can blend is to take this fluffy side and just swirl it all around. You want to do that?
Sure.
Feels good. Our brushes feel so good.
But sorry, I was doing it on me.
So cute. So what do you think about your mommy doing makeup?
It's fun.
It's fun,
Sometimes I get to do your makeup. Sometimes you get to do mine.
but you don't really wear a lot of makeup, do you?
No,
Okay, pretty.
you do.
I do. Okay,
still
want to do blush
I
now?
still think you look pretty without makeup though.
Mary, that is so sweet. Thank you, girl.
Yeah.
That is so sweet.
Which brush?
I like that one.
This
And you can
one.
pick whichever one you want. Which one do you want to use?
Which one suits you best? Which one do you like?
What do you guys think?
I personally think this one or this one. Not
Yeah. That one's really pretty.
This one? You like
Yeah,
that one?
I like that one on cheeks. Yeah, and then that one's prettier on lips.
So this brush, right?
Yep. Okay.
Don't turn off.
The computer was wanting to go dark. Okay. Yeah, you can get a there you go. That's perfect.
That's what you
Perfect.
used to do to me. Did I put enough?
You can probably put a little more. Work the brush in there. There you go.
Beautiful.
Beautiful. Okay, want to do the other side?
Are you supposed to smile when I'm doing your brush?
Oh, yes, I am.
Brush? Right there. It's a lot, but it'll blend.
You want to blend it out a little bit while you go? Good. Yep. Oh,
Here, fluffy brush. Sorry.
fluffy side. Pretty.
I think that looks good on you.
You do? You like that one? I do too. This
What's
one's
yours?
called Madrid. You gonna do my eyes too?
You choose the eyeshadow then. I can't make decisions.
Okay.
I'm just not good at that.
Done.
Does it look good?
So good. It looks so pretty. Okay, and do you want to put this
Youngest makeup artist in the world.
one? You're pretty good, girl. Okay, you want to put that on my lips?
Which brush? This one?
You know what? You can either use your finger or I do have, let me see, this one.
I don't feel confident with my finger.
Okay. No problem. That's a good thing for the brush. The multitasker brush is a good one.
This one? This one? Do I need a little bit more?
I don't know. I can't see. Ooh, it's pretty. Maybe a little more. I love this color. It's a new one. It's a shade of the season called August.
It is.
Mhm.
Cool.
Do you know whose birthday is in August?
Sophie's and Daddy's.
That's right. Our oldest golden retriever and Mary's daddy
Your husband.
and my husband. We got to get him to do my makeup too. Wouldn't that be funny?
Oh, that would be funny.
Pretty.
And also, there's a makeup color called Sadie, and that's
Oh,
one of our dog's names.
we should have put Sadie in the palette.
Yeah, that would have been fun.
That would have been so fun. Okay, do you want to do illuminator? The last step before we do eyes? And you can pick one. There's a powdery one or there's a shimmery one like that. Which one do you like better?
Which one do you like better?
I like them equal. I have been using Georgia. Oh, that one's called Georgia.
Betty has so many
Tell them why we're
pets.
laughing. Tell them why we're laughing.
Okay, so we just said that there's a color named Sadie, and that's one of our golden retrievers. One of our golden retrievers' names, and I got a leopard gecko, and her name is Georgia. So two of our pets' names. Is there a Sophie?
There's not a Sophie.
Oh.
We need to tell Kara, somebody at the company, there needs to be a Sophie color, right?
Yes.
What color would Sophie be? Would it be an eyeshadow color?
Probably similar to Sadie.
Similar to Sadie? We'll have to tell her.
Or maybe if you're talking about that, I think it would be an eyeshadow color.
Yep.
That'd be pretty.
An eyeshadow color would be really pretty. So do you want to do Georgia then after the
Yeah,
leopard
we'll do
gecko?
Georgia.
Okay, perfect. So I like the fluffy end of that.
Fluffy.
Fluffy. And then do you know where it goes?
Does it show it on there?
It does. See, I think it's like right here and right there.
Okay. Yep. Right there. That one.
Mhm.
Right.
That one?
Big fluffy brush.
Yep.
It's hard to do those tiny things with a big fluff.
Yep.
Small.
Ooh,
I think it looks pretty.
I do too, Mary.
Where else? Yep.
Oh,
Did I get any? I don't know what I did actually. Can I
Yeah.
point on that?
good. Okay. Other side, right?
Yes.
Ooh, pretty. See that little shimmer?
Looks
Love it.
pretty.
Looks really
Gives
pretty,
shine
right?
to your face.
Okay. Loving it. You know a little more?
Right there.
Yeah.
I hope I did good on that.
So pretty. You did awesome. All right, let's do some eyes. This brush makes it
Eyes.
super easy.
Because it's very small. All right. Which color would you like?
Okay, so here's what we got working with in my little palette.
Those 6
What
colors.
if you put this one kind of on
This
the inner
one?
corner? Yep.
Right here?
What if we do like 1, 2, 3? I
Right
always I always teach on if you divide your eye into thirds, where you do 1/3 the light, maybe put the shimmery
Which
one
side
in the
do we do?
middle. Whichever one.
I feel like I'll be.
Oh, it's front of the brush. Yeah, I like that.
Do you think? Okay.
That's exactly what I use. You nailed it. The brush makes it so easy.
Is that good?
Yeah, you can always add more if you need it.
Tell me if that looks good.
Yeah, that's pretty.
Is that all I need?
Yeah, or do you want to
Is it
put it like in the inner third? If you divide your eye into thirds, so inner corner, but like it can go a little, yeah.
Did I put that too high? Am I
No, I think you're good. It'll blend out. You're good.
I'm not the best eyeshadow.
You're doing great. You are doing great.
All right.
Okay.
Do me do the other
Yeah,
side too?
sure. Okay. So is this the first time you've ever done like a full face, or at least in a long time, right?
Yeah.
Is
Tell
this
me if
something
that's
you could
good.
see yourself doing, Mary?
Maybe.
Maybe.
I'm more of a vet person now.
You are a vet. Is that what
Animal
you want to do when
person.
you grow up? Yes. I know you do a great job. All right.
Georgia has a good vet school.
Yeah, Georgia. She wants to go to the University of Georgia.
Just like you did.
Just
I
like I
want to
did.
be like you.
You want to be like me?
With college.
You're so sweet. Okay, do you want to put the shimmery one in the middle? I always like to do like shimmer. It's so pretty and like right in this like the middle part.
In the center. I'm going to do the side
And
first.
And don't worry about the blending because you can fluff it up when you're done with the fluffy end.
I know.
Okay, pretty.
Wait, closer again. Oh, I didn't do it close enough to the other one.
To the other? That's
Here,
okay.
let me- Okay.
Okay, I think a little bit fell down there,
Oh,
but that's
sure.
okay. Oh, it's not your fault. You can blend it all out. It's good. Okay, you want to do the other side?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So it makes it super easy to divide the eye into thirds, and then you can
With
just
the
place
small
it
brush.
on. Yep.
Do you blend with
The
this
fluffy
side?
one. That's
The
right.
fluffy side?
That's
'Cause I
right.
feel like it's easier too.
Totally.
Is that enough?
Yeah, I think that's enough.
Alright.
Let me see. All right. And then
Your eyelashes cover that really bottom part right there. So.
that's okay. I don't blend it all. And then you want to maybe do this one in the crease. So that's in the outer third, right? Like a triangle, kind of.
Just like the first one.
Perfect.
And whenever someone's doing your eyeshadow, don't do this.
That's good advice.
I used to do that all the time whenever I was getting my eyeshadow done.
Okay, and you want to fluffy blend it all together?
I like being funny.
You do. Do you think you're pretty funny?
I don't know. That's not for me to say.
I think you're pretty funny. I think you're pretty cute.
That'd be weird if I was just like, I'm so funny.
So pretty
I
how
like
it blends
that.
all together.
See, I'm not very good with eyeshadow.
You are. It looks good. And I love these colors. So both you and I have blue eyes, right? Do y'all think our eyes
You
are
have
kind of
green
similar?
eyes.
Mine do have a little more green.
Yes.
But these colors really
Me
make
and my
it pop.
Me
It's
and my
really
dad
pretty.
look more.
Yes, you do look like your daddy, don't you?
I sure do. Wait, I did on both sides.
I don't think you blended this one yet.
Oh yeah, sorry. I thought I was putting the eyeshadow back on.
I think you already put on the eyeshadow.
I know. I was just confused.
It's easy to get confused. Okay, pretty. And then what's cool is if anything gets a little, like if it falls down, you can use the brush to clean it up a little bit. See, like that and like that.
Do you think they would like to see me
What do you guys think?
on more videos?
What do you think? Do you guys want to see Mary on more videos? You have to let us know in the comments. Do you want to put on my mascara or you want me to do it?
I'll try.
Are you sure?
I'll try. Are you scared?
A little bit.
How about one eye I do and one eye you do, and we'll see the comparison.
Okay. Okay.
Actually, no, you do it.
Are you sure? Are you sure? I'll just do it. Mary, what do you think? Do you think it looks good?
I think it looks good,
Yeah?
but
That's
that's
what
also
you-
not for me to say.
What do you guys think? Do you guys think it looks good? I think it looks beautiful. I think she did a great job.
You know what else would be a good idea?
What?
Letting Sophie choose your makeup colors.
What? That's a great idea. We should totally do that in a video. I think that sounds like so much fun.
It would be fun.
Mary, I think you did a great job. I'll post the before and after. I'll do it, I guess, like right here. We'll do the little fancy thing where I'll put, you want to move? Yep, right here. So you guys can see the before and after. But I think it looks pretty good. I feel pretty. I feel ready to go. What do you think? Yeah?
Yes.
You like it? Was this fun? What do they need to do if they want to see more like this?
Subscribe.
Yay! And give it a thumbs up, right? Yep. And comment? Yep. Awesome. Mary, thank you so much for making me feel beautiful today. I love you, sweet pea. You're so cute. Thanks for watching, guys.
Bye.